Hello and welcome to Home Cooking Spain. Today I'm going to cook oven-baked pork and potatoes. So let's begin. Okay, so first of all we'll turn the oven on to 220°C, which should be 428°F roughly. I'll put it up here later. Right, so a big bowl, and first of all we'll add some olive oil, so roughly about, I would say about 10 tablespoons of olive oil. Then we'll add some sweet paprika, 1 teaspoon. Some black pepper, obviously to your own liking. Some thyme. Let's have a look at this. That's it, that's better. And I'm just going to sprinkle about half a teaspoon. This is rosemary, same again, about half a teaspoon. Some salt, to your own liking, of course. And now we'll add the pork. I've got about, I think it's about 500-600 grams. And it's pork loin, which I have cubed up. You can also use any other bit of pork. I just use this because it's what I happen to have in the fridge, you know. So we'll put that there. Then potatoes. I'm using 2 massive potatoes, about equivalent about 900 grams, and I've also cubed them up. We'll add them there as well. Make sure you have a big bowl because it's easier to mix. Right, I've got 3 whole garlic cloves, half a small pepper, which I've cut into, I don't know what you call these, another half a small green pepper, and half a large onion. Again, you can use as much or as less as you like. Right, so that's that. And the next step is to mix it all in. So do it by hand with some latex gloves, some gloves that you can steal in the garage, petrol station, or with a couple of spoons. And give it a good mix. Everything nicely mixed there, so it all gets coated in. Because all this we're going to add it in an oven-proof baking dish. Right. So after about 15 to 20 minutes, the oven should be nice and hot. So what we'll do is chuck all this in. Wait a minute, I'll just get my what do you call it, so that I can get all the, you know, sauce in there, or what do you call it? Bloody hell, lost for words today. All the olive oil with the herbs and stuff. Right, so that's all there nicely. And now we'll just spread it all nice and evenly. I use one of these If you see my other videos, you'll notice that I'm using, what do you call it, this paper, oven paper, for cooking, for baking and that. And now this, we'll chuck it in the oven for 30 minutes. Okay, so after the half an hour has gone by, we'll take it out of the oven and we'll move it about. By the way, that was in the middle part of the oven, just so that you know. Right, so that's nicely mixed about, spread it evenly, and what we'll do now is turn the oven down to 200°C, which should be 390°F. I'll leave it up here again, and we'll cook it for another 30 minutes and then it's done. Well, that's the half an hour gone by, and here's the result. Lunch is ready. Delicious. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon.